again, I couldn't go up and down stairs without any kind of pain. I couldn't squat or bend down at all. And really the deciding factor was when I couldn't get out and chase around my grandkids and run with them and play with them. And that's when I decided it was time to do something. I actually hurt my knee the first time back in the early 70s, right at 50 years ago, and have kind of fought issues with that since then. And I've had meniscus repair, I've had meniscus transplant, I've had ACL reconstruction, several arthroscopic surgeries, and nothing seemed to really work. You go in the morning for sure. I think we went in at 7 or 8 o'clock, and really by 3 o'clock we were home. As soon as you get out of recovery, they have you on your feet, starting basically the rehab process at that point. So it's a quick and immediate turnaround. Very next day after I went home, they had me in physical therapy and starting that process. Really less than 24 hours after the surgery, they've got you working on it and doing your bending exercises and straightening and trying to strengthen your leg back again. My knee is 100%. I haven't felt this good in literally 50 years, since the early 70s. I mean, it's just complete, so much better, 100% better, and zero pain anymore. I literally have zero pain anymore. I've seen a lot of doctors with my knee process, and I've seen with my daughter and her shoulder and whatnot, but that group over there, they're the best I've ever seen. I've known Dr. Dixon for 40 some odd years and know the kind of person he is, but he is an outstanding surgeon. I recommend him so highly that I recommended it to my wife, and she had it 3 weeks ago. And she has done really, really well with it.